और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam da ki lakbon ki bakwa pan pinda be ke MBBS Henry Kyntien e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pin kraya pi na gabanda ka neat.
U MDC ke Tura u Bernard and Marang ulapan pau ya ke jing sngau diau halor ke jing Kynnoh bala Weng no ya ke Kyntien autonomous na ki Rusit bad na ke Shab jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bad dawaru ya ke executive committee ba menta ke deban penbed no mardor ya ke ni ke jing le bakla hau kerwa bala pha shakilat pathai khobor u marang ula kentho shushu ba ka jingweng ya ka Kyntien autonomous ka longkum ka jingpen khen ya ka jing ithu da ka riti sanchar ka ri India ya ka council bat ka deiru ka jing persang ban pentlot bor ya ka ne ka shlam trikam ka balong lajlud.
The removal of the term autonomous from the receipt and logo by the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is a matter of grave concern that necessitates immediate rectification by the current executive committee. This action is a part of a pattern exhibited by previous executive committees which have consistently used diluted nomenclature such as Garo Hills District Council and Garo District Council, thereby determining the authority and autonomy of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Such actions appear to be deliberate attempts to erode the council's autonomy and increase its dependence on the state government and the ruling political party. Furthermore, this constitutes a violation of the constitutional recognition accorded to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, rendering it imperative for the Executive Committee to take corrective measures and restore the official designation in its entirety.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.